Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a cool little tutorial on creating slideshows for your Specialty Toys Network website. So I hope you all are sitting down and enjoy this. Let's get started right away. Okay, slideshows are a special component on your sites in some cases. Not everybody has these, but it's a way to get an animated slide presentation right on the home page. It will automatically go through different screens, show you how to add a new one in today. Yours may look a little bit differently depending on how it's stylized. Let's just take this demo site as an example to get going on that. So let's make one for Thomas today. First thing I'm going to do, because I like the STN membership here, is I'm going to log into my member homepage here. Once I've logged in, if I go down to promo banners here on the left under graphic resources, right there, click on that, and I'm going to start by getting a nicely created graphic to use as my background. And scroll all the way down and I see this Frame Easy section here, which is just a large graphic. It's kind of generic in its composition, intended for use on slideshows and other elements that you're going to edit. So we'll just save this image first of all. We'll just save it to our desktop. I've already saved a version here, so I'll just say cancel in this case. And then we'll go over to our graphic editing application because I want to scale it down for my sizes, and you should know those for your front page slideshow. So I'm going to go over to, in this case, I'm going to use Photoshop here. Just going to open that image up and then scale it. I want to crop it in a little bit here. In my case, I'm setting it to 525 by 300 pixels. Then I'll save for the web. Use keyboard shortcuts on this, so I'm just used to that. I'm just going to keep doing that. I'll save this as a high quality. In my case, I'm going to save it to 100% because the slideshow component will scale that on import. So let's just save this guy here, and let's just save it right back to web images. We'll call this Thomas and Friends slide. Save that. Okay, so I've scaled it in Photoshop. You may want to use Frame Easy, the free application that we give you. And then I'll go back over to my website, log into the back-end administrative side, and what I need to go to is the component front page slideshow. We'll go there. In this case, we want to create a new slide, so we'll go up to New, and we're going to call this Thomas, if I can type today, Thomas and Friends. We're going to say, yeah, we want to publish it. I can leave some text in there. Let's say if I want to say visit, or not visit. Check out our selection of Thomas. And fix my spelling, not the world's best typist. I'm going to have to give it a URL here. There's a number of ways to do that, so let's just jump to the front end here. If I have a category, I could just go to that category and say select that URL and then paste it in there. But I'm actually going to do something kind of special so that it'll always be looking to multiple categories and such. We've got some links here. If you go to the STN help page under banners, banners, and then banner link to search results. So I'm going to click on that page, which is this make link, and then I'll scroll all the way down, and we've got some popular search strings which tie into the advanced search function here. Pretty cool way to do things. So I'm just going to go over here, and I've copied this example here for a keyword to my notepad, and so I'm going to update it for my URL. In your case, you'll just put your URL in the string, and then I'm going to say the keyword is Thomas in this case. So I've got that string that I'm going to create it. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. Going back to my front page slideshow, I'm going to say use that as a URL. So that's going to search for Thomas anytime somebody clicks on that link. I can also say in this case I want to show the title. If you show title and you're using some automatic, this slide links to menu items or something like that, that's going to be overridden. It's one reason I like to use the regular link in most cases. And I'm going to show my custom text here that I put in. And then I need to upload the graphic. So I'm just going to browse to that graphic I saved, the slide version there. Say open that. The system will upload it when I save here. So I'm just going to go save. System is uploading it and creating that slide. Now I've got this new Thomas and Friends slide. It's published. So let's take a look. We go to the home page and we're going to refresh. I've got it set on random, so it's in here on one of these positions. I'll just toggle through real quickly manually so I can show it to you. There it is. Let me pause it right there for a second. So you see that we got that slide uploaded, and now when we click on that, we get to a search results. I'll open this so you can see that it's searching by Thomas. All of our products are pulling up for our customer. Very cool way to do things. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Again, just setting up a custom slideshow. And again, we can turn these on and off. Let's say I wanted to focus just on Thomas. I could unpublish a few here. Say I want to have less focusing. So I'm going to actually select a few this way. Say let's unpublish several of these. Now we've just got 3 going here. Go to the front, refresh. Thomas is 1 of 3, so it'll get more play. Some great things to do with your front page slideshow. I hope you enjoyed this training session. And as always, we value you and thank you for being a great STN client.